3TREES SBS waterproof membrane construction process. 3TREES SGW500 elastic modified asphalt waterproof membrane has SPF rubber modified petroleum bitumen as the covering layer, polyester fiber non-woven fabrics, and glass fiber felt as the base layer and PE film, sand and mineral particles as the anti-sticking isolation layer. It's made through batching, pre-dipping, oiling, film covering, and rolling processes. SPF waterproof membrane is mainly used on positions requiring waterproofness and moisture-proofness in industrial and civil buildings such as roofs and basements. The process flow is as follows. Step 1. Preparation before construction. Preparation of main and auxiliary materials and construction equipment. Step 2. Base treatment. Red rubbish and floating ash of the base with a wire brush, a broom, or a blower so that the base is flat, clean, and dry. Treat details, internal and external corners, through wall pipes, etc. as required. Step 3. Brushing base treatment agent. The base treatment should match with the SBS waterproof membrane. Rolling, coating, or spraying may be adopted for brushing the base treatment agent. The amount of the base treatment agent used per square meter is 0.3 to 0.5 kilogram. The treatment agent should be uniformly applied without base exposure. The membrane can only be laid after the treatment agent is dry. Step 4. Treatment of additional layers of detail structures. 1. Internal corner positions. Cut out a square piece of the SBS waterproof membrane and fold it in half. Cut the membrane open to the central point along the central line. Fold up the membrane at the cut opening according to the angle and lay it hot melt on the internal corners. Lay a small triangular piece of the membrane hot melt onto the corner joint. 2. External corner positions. Cut out a square piece of the SBS waterproof membrane and fold it in half. Cut the membrane open up to the central point along the central line and lay it hot melt on the external corners. Then lay another piece of the membrane over the bifurcation positions and carry out hot melt edge sealing. 3. Out of roof pipeline positions. Step 1. Cut out a square piece of the SBS waterproof membrane. Cut it into a serrated or cross shape along the central position. Cover the cut membrane over the bottom of the pipe and lay it hot melt over the base. Step 2. Cut out a piece of membrane according to the outer diameter of the pipe. Cut its lower end into serrations and wrap it around the periphery of the pipe. Tightly paste the membrane on the pipe and the base using the full laying method. Tighten the upper part of the pipe firmly with metal hoops and carry out sealing treatment. Step 5. Line snapping. After the base treatment agent is dried, snap the positioning and datum lines on the base according to the laying pattern so as to facilitate membrane laying. Step 6. Hot melt laying of SBS waterproof membrane. Firstly, pre-lay the SBS waterproof membrane in alignment with the snap line. Then roll the two ends of the membrane to the middle and hold a flame heater to heat it up to and fro. The distance between the heater nozzle and the membrane surface should be appropriate and heating should be uniform within the width. The membrane surface should be melted to a bright black, but there should be no excessive heating. After the bitumen on the hot surface is melted, lay the membrane immediately. The air under the membrane should be removed when the membrane is laid. Step 7. Seam treatment. In lap seam positions, modified bituminous cement should be applied, preferably with a uniform and straight spilled width of 8 millimeters. The lap width of the membrane's long and short side should not be less than 100 mm. Heat and remove any mineral particle or flake on the membrane at the seams before hot melting and seam treatment. For Grade 1 protection, lap seams shall be 1/3 to 1/2 width of the membrane. Step 8. Checking and acceptance inspection. Check while laying the membrane. Promptly repair any unsolid fusion welding so that no hidden danger is left. Do post-rain check or water spray storage testing for the laid waterproof layer. Enter the next process after no problem is found. 3TREES provides one-stop waterproof solutions for buildings. Safe and standard construction ensures happy and contented life for the people.